Hello and welcome. Today, we'll be discussing Jasper AI, an AI technology that is revolutionizing the way businesses operate. Jasper AI is an innovative platform that uses AI to automate various business tasks. The purpose of this outline is to provide you with a brief overview of Jasper AI, its features, and its applications. So, what exactly is Jasper AI? Simply put, it is an AI platform designed to automate various business processes, such as customer service, sales, and marketing. Jasper AI is different from other AI technologies because it is highly customizable and can be tailored to meet the specific needs of each business. Jasper AI has a wide range of features that make it an incredibly powerful tool. For example, it can analyze customer data to provide personalized recommendations and insights, automate repetitive tasks, and even predict customer behavior. Jasper AI is used in a variety of industries, including healthcare, finance, and retail. In each industry, it is used to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance the customer experience. There are many advantages to using Jasper AI. For one, it can greatly increase efficiency and accuracy in business operations. Additionally, it can significantly reduce costs associated with manual labor and employee training. Finally, Jasper AI can improve the overall customer experience by providing personalized recommendations and tailored communication. In conclusion, Jasper AI is a powerful AI technology that is changing the way businesses operate. Its wide range of features, customizable nature, and ability to improve efficiency and accuracy make it an invaluable tool in today's fast-paced business world. With the future looking bright for AI, Jasper AI is sure to remain at the forefront of this exciting field. Thank you for watching.